Intro 30s. Imagine creating a professional viral video in just minutes. No cameras, no editing skills, just one prompt. That's exactly what Invideo AI 3.0 delivers. And today, I'll show you why this AI tool is dominating YouTube, TikTok and Instagram in 2025. So in the last 60 seconds, you'll discover how to create videos like these with AI in just 3 easy steps. Step number 1, type in your text prompt. Step number 2, click Generate. And step 3, download your video. Let's dive in. AI video tools are exploding right now. From short viral clips to full cinematic edits, platforms are being flooded with AI-generated content. The difference, some tools are slow, limited, or leave watermarks. But Invideo AI stands out with lightning-fast speed, unlimited video, and 0 watermarks. And now with the release of Invideo AI 3.0, things are about to get even more epic. With 35 AI models, you can create anime stories, cinematic videos, horror trailers, cyberpunk edits and more. All you need is a simple text prompt and within minutes, you've got a share-ready video. Here are 3 mind-blowing examples. First, let's create a Titanoboa video. This is a massive snake that lived in North America around 40 million years ago. Now let's add some scary music and captions, and here's our finished video. Scrolling through social media, you're likely to see content like this. So why not create your own viral clip in seconds? Up next, let's craft an anime story about Hiroshi, a young boy who discovers a magical world. With a few clicks, we've generated a complete story with stunning visuals. And finally, let's explore an alternate reality where dinosaurs never went extinct. In just a few minutes, we've created a cinematic trailer that's ready to blow up on YouTube. Each video looks professional, engaging and ready to go viral. But that's not all. Invideo AI is packed with next-level features. First, you can edit scenes with simple text commands. For example, let's say we want to change the background. We simply type in our command and boom, the background is instantly replaced. Next, you can clone your voice with just 30 seconds of audio. This is perfect for creating tutorials or dubbing your videos. Plus, you can translate videos into multiple languages all in one click. Imagine reaching a global audience without any language barriers. And if you're not happy with the generated video, you can regenerate it with a different twist. Or if you're looking for inspiration, you can browse through countless templates and categories. Finally, you can replace background music instantly. Now let's talk pricing. Yes, there's a free plan, but the generative plan at $96 a month saves creators thousands compared to traditional video production. If you're serious about content creation, this is a no-brainer. The future of content is AI-driven, and Invideo AI is leading the way. Are you ready to create viral videos in minutes? Try Invideo AI today. Link is in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.